we, the, most us, for all of us, have the problem is we don't have enough effort and hard working, but we looking for result right now and today. Then we don't get, then we get upset. Effort, hard working, and patience, the three go together. Then we will get the goal, or we will got the we receive our goal. Because we have so many goals, but we don't have enough effort and hard working and patience. We need the result right now. It's not happen. Even example, you need to the doctor's degree. You need to effort, hard working, and patience. Takes time. You need to study like 15, 20 years. Then you become doctor. Like that. It's not easy. Then also we lose the hope. Then we give up. It's not like that. Okay? Remember the one story, the rabbit and turtle, they rest go the hill. The rabbit thinks, I'm very fast, I can jump just a couple of times, I will reach that. Then turtle is very slow, right? Just he thinks, oh, I'm not fast enough, therefore I have to effort and hard working to over that. Then the rabbit and lazy and he just sleep. I can just jump there. The turtle takes time. Then during that time, the turtle just walks slowly, slowly, slowly. Before rabbit wake up, he is already in the hill. Therefore, rabbit lost. The turtle win. Because rabbit's lazy and also his ego. I can do that. But turtle has effort, hard working, and patience also. Therefore, this is very important. This small things also we can take to our daily life. Okay, thank you, my dear brothers and sisters, my best friends. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Then best wish.